You've seen the ad 100 times. A guy in a rented car, screen recording his Shopify dashboard. $52,000 this month. Quit my 9 to 5. Link in bio. You always scrolled past it. Tonight you don't. You join a course. $49. Everything you need to start. You pick a product from a trending products list everyone in the course is using. A gadget. Doesn't matter what. You set up a store in an afternoon, plug in a supplier, and launch your first ad campaign with $50 you tell yourself is basically nothing. 2 days pass. No sales. You check the dashboard every 20 minutes anyway. Someone in the course community posts a screenshot. $11,000 in a week. The comments are full of fire emojis and "let's go." You feel a version of hope you haven't felt in a while. You put in another $200. Change the ad creative. A guru in the group says the first week is always slow, that everyone who quit early was 1 week away. Day 6, one sale comes in. $18 profit. You screenshot it like it means something bigger than it does. You keep going. You raise the ad budget because the course says you have to spend to find what works. 300 more than 500. You're not really tracking the total anymore, not precisely. You're tracking the wins, because the wins are the part that feels like proof you're close. Someone else in the group posts their month. $40,000 in revenue? You don't see their ad spend. You don't see their return rate, their refunds, the 4 stores they tried before this one worked. You just see the number, and the number tells you this is possible, which means it's possible for you too. You put in more. Eventually, weeks in, you actually add it up. Total spent on ads, the course, samples, apps. Total revenue. The gap between those two numbers is bigger than you let yourself notice, while it was happening one small charge at a time. You don't post about this part. Neither does almost anyone else who ends up here. Here's what actually happened to you psychologically through all of this. It's called survivorship bias, and it means you were only ever looking at the people who made it. The thousands who spent this same money and got nothing don't post screenshots. They just quietly stop showing up in the group, and the group fills back in like they were never there, still glowing with everyone who's left. You weren't unlucky, and you weren't uniquely bad at this. You were looking at a highlight reel and mistaking it for a fair sample. If you've ever measured your own failure against someone else's best month, subscribe. This channel exists for exactly that feeling.